If you watched my video about why the 5.3L never dies, and you're thinking about buying one, the same GM engineer just revealed there are 3 specific years you should avoid at all costs. And if you want to know which years and why before you spend your money, hit subscribe right now. Wait, didn't you say the 5.3L never dies? Yes, the 5.3L design is bulletproof, but GM made changes in specific years that turned a legendary motor into a nightmare. Year number 1 to avoid, 2007 to 2009. The engineer was blunt. This was our biggest mistake. First generation AFM problem. In 2007, GM added active fuel management to the 5.3L, and they got it wrong. Internal failure data showed collapsed lifters, failure rate 300% higher than previous years. Destroyed camshafts, $3,000 to $5,000 repairs. Oil consumption, some burned 1 quart every 1,000 miles. The engineer admitted, "We rushed AFM for EPA standards, didn't test enough. Customers paid the price." Red flags: ticking noise from engine, lifters failing, low oil pressure warnings, blue smoke from exhaust, burning oil. If you find a 2007 to 2009, ask, has AFM been deleted? Have lifters been replaced? Is oil consumption normal? If no to any, walk away. Before I show you the other 2 dangerous years, if this could save you thousands, subscribe and turn on notifications. Year number 2. Years 2 to be careful with, 2010 to 2011. The engineer explained, transition years, hit or miss, inconsistent mid-cycle fixes. GM tried fixing AFM in 2010, but applied fixes inconsistently. Some 2010-2011 trucks got improved lifters and reinforced valve springs. Others got the same bad components from 2007 to 2009. Depended on when it was built, no way to know without inspecting. What to do? Not automatic rejects, but require careful inspection. Oil consumption test, mandatory. Lifter noise check, listen with engine warm. Service records, see if AFM repairs were done. If seller won't let you inspect thoroughly, walk away. Years 3, 2012 to 2013. Better than 2007 to 2009, but still not perfect, the engineer admitted. GM fixed most AFM problems by 2012, but occasional oil consumption and valve spring failures still happened. Failure rate dropped 70% from 2007 to 2009, but still 2 to 3 times higher than 1999 to 2006. Which years should you buy? 1999 to 2006 GMT 800, no AFM, iron block, legendary, best choice. 2014 plus LT1, redesigned AFM, 70% lower failures, modern tech, second best. Avoid 27 to 2019 unless AFM deleted. Careful, 2010 to 2013, inspect thoroughly. The 5.3L is bulletproof, but GM almost killed it from 2007 to 2013 with poorly executed AFM. So now you know, the 5.3L never dies, unless it's 2007 to 2009. Then it dies fast. Subscribe, because every week I bring insider information that saves you thousands. Hit the bell. Drop what year 5.3L you have below. Watch next why the 4.8L is basically a 5.3L in disguise. Buy smart, avoid the bad years, keep your money.